Here's how to get more from your vSeeBox V6 Plus in less than 3 minutes. Today you will learn the most useful features, settings, and shortcuts to make everyday viewing easier. That box can access many streaming services, but only use content you are authorized to watch. First, connect the V6 Plus to your TV with the included HDMI cable, plug in the power adapter, and connect it to the Wi-Fi. Once the home screen appears, pair the Bluetooth remote and insert two AAA batteries if needed. The box includes 64GB of storage, Bluetooth, dual-band Wi-Fi, and support for high-resolution video. Next, take advantage of the split-screen feature. Open a supported live TV app and look for the multi-view or split-screen option. Select the channels you want to watch together, then confirm your choices. This lets you follow multiple games or programs without constantly switching between channels. Then use the backlit remote when the room is dark. The illuminated buttons make navigation easier at night, while the directional pad lets you move through menus quickly. Press the home button to return to the main screen and use the back button to leave the current menu. After that, adjust the display settings to match your television. Open Settings, select Display and Sound, and check the resolution options. If your TV supports high-resolution output, choose the appropriate setting or leave resolution on automatic. You can also check options related to dynamic range and frame rate if your picture does not look right. Now connect external devices through the USB ports when you need additional storage or compatible accessories. You can also use screen sharing features such as Miracast, DLNA, or AirPlay when supported by your devices. If the picture looks wrong after changing display settings, return the resolution and related display options to automatic. This is a simple way to restore a compatible setting. Once everything is set, the V6 Plus can give you easier navigation, split-screen viewing, flexible connections, and better control over your display. Following these simple steps makes getting more from your vSeeBox V6 Plus quick and easy.